In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ad schedules in Google Ads. This is an essential tool for optimizing your ad campaign's performance and ensuring that your ads are reaching your target audience at the best possible times. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to go to the Google Ads homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Google Ads. Once the page loads, you'll see an interface that invites you to either sign in or sign up. Since we're assuming you already have an account, click on the sign in button. It's conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. Log in with your credentials and this will take you to the Google Ads home interface. Once you're at the Google Ads home, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your campaigns, view analytics, and make strategic decisions to improve your advertising efforts. On the left hand side, you'll find a navigation panel. You'll want to look for the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to customizing your ad settings. After selecting Campaigns, your screen will display all active campaigns. At this stage, we're focusing on setting up an ad schedule. So next you want to click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content are shown, which will further guide you into planning the parameters for your ad delivery. It's crucial here to design a well thought out plan because this choice will directly impact when and where your ad reaches potential customers. Now, we're getting into the central task of setting up your ad schedule. Locate and click on Ad Schedule in your campaign settings. This menu is where you have the control to fine tune when your ads are shown throughout the week. Imagine your target audience and consider when they're most likely to engage with your ads. Peak times could be different depending on your product and demographic, so it's vital to choose wisely. Once you've opened the Ad Schedule option, you're going to want to click on Edit Schedule. This will allow you to create a custom schedule by deciding which days and hours you want your ads to run. Maybe your data suggests that weekdays are more profitable, or you might find weekend evenings yield better results. In any case, adjust these settings to align with your strategic goals, and remember you can come back to this setting anytime if you need to make adjustments based on performance data. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up ad schedules in Google Ads. This setup is an ongoing process that will refine your advertising effectiveness. Checking back regularly will help maintain optimal ad performance. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.